Welcome to our comparison of two leading portable dishwashers, the COMFEE portable dishwasher and the Silonn portable countertop dishwasher. Both of these compact appliances are designed to make dishwashing easier for those with limited kitchen space. Today, we'll dive into their key features, including their cleaning capabilities, noise levels, and overall value. The COMFEE model stands out with its high-temperature hygiene cycle and air-dry function, while the Silonn impresses with its triple-jet cleaning system and smart app control. Let's see how they stack up against each other. When it comes to pricing, the COMFEE portable dishwasher is priced at $299, while the Silonn portable countertop dishwasher is more budget-friendly at $269. This $30 difference may influence your decision, especially if you're looking for a cost-effective solution for your kitchen. Noise level is another important factor to consider. The COMFEE model operates at 62 decibels, which can be quite noticeable, especially in smaller living spaces. In contrast, the Silonn operates at a quieter 56.3 decibels, making it a better choice for those who prefer a more peaceful kitchen environment. In terms of cleaning technology, the COMFEE features a dual spray arm system, which provides effective cleaning powers. However, the Silonn takes it a step further with its triple-jet cleaning system, ensuring a more thorough wash. This could be a significant advantage for users with heavily soiled dishes. In conclusion, both the COMFEE and Silonn portable dishwashers offer unique advantages. The COMFEE excels in hygiene and drying features, while the Silonn stands out with its smart technology and quieter operation. Depending on your specific needs and budget, either could be a great addition to your kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.